Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. So, hey, I got a good night's sleep finally. So I'm up and nice and early here. I've actually been working on the computer for about an hour or so already. Alright, so stay tuned at the end. I got a bunch of information for you at the end of my exercises there, and let's get at it and I'll get back to you afterwards. All right, did 35 minutes on the gazelle, 9 minutes on the weight bench. 228 calories on the gazelle. So as you saw, if you noticed, I added a little more to the weight bench routine. So I usually do about 3 sessions on the gazelle and during the day, and 2 sessions on the weight bench. All right, so coming up, well, first off, your prep for today. Make sure you have good footwear, especially for the winter time here. You don't want to be getting your feet all wet and, you know, nasty and stuff. Speaking of which, that's going to be one of the things being talked about tomorrow night on Survival Saturday with the doctors. Got Doc Bones and Nurse Amy coming in. They'll be talking about hypothermia, trench foot, frostbite, and several other things as well, including kidney stones. And since everybody's cutting firewood, we're going to talk about chainsaw accidents. All right, get a garden planted if you can indoors. 5-gallon buckets. You know, the plastic trash cans from Walmart or Target or whatever. You know, you can fill those up with potting soil, and you can grow tomatoes, lettuce, rainbow chard, you know, radishes even. All right, try growing something. All right. There's interesting stuff going on. You really need to be watching the news, what's going on. Oh, tonight on Camp Patton Family Compound, the topic is diversifying your emergency lighting. And so we can talk about, you know, the power goes out, different things you can have for providing light in your house and stuff. You know, the good, bad, and the ugly about lighting. All right, so get yourself up on your preps. You really want to be ready for this winter.